Hey guys, it's Miss Gross. Um, Dream House Project, going over some things here. If you are watching this video, you're probably ready to work on your slides and just making sure that you are getting what you need. So I'm going to go over these slides very briefly. The first slide, just make sure your name's on it. The second slide, make sure you put your location where you want to live. You can put a city, you can put a county, you can put a state, you can put a picture, just basically wherever you want to live. The third one, make sure you put a picture of the outside of your house, okay? The fourth one, value of home. We found the value of our home when we did what was it called? New home builder. When we went on to Zillow.com, so that's when we found those 3 houses and we found the average of those. So new home builder is a good where you found the value of your home. So you're going to put that one in there. The next one is square feet. Where you would get this from is once you calculate the square footage here. So you're going to go through, make sure that you calculate the square footage of each room of your house, add them all up. It's square foot of living space. So don't count garages or porches or anything like that. Only count the actual living space. So put your square footage there, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms it is, and what your favorite feature is. So the favorite feature would be your favorite part of the house. So that's how you would do the features. The next slide, I talked to you about this one on that other video that was the phases of drawing. So this right here is the house that I chose. I found this house on houseplans.com, but where I draw it is going to go here. So make sure you put a picture. I'm going to take a picture of my house plans, and I'm going to put that picture on here. I'm going to try to take a good picture of it to put on here. And then I want to make sure my scale is on here. And I think my scale was 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. Don't forget to put that on there because that's part of your grade. Math that you use for your project. So there's many things that we use with math. We use scale. We used rulers. We did proportions. What did we use for here? We need to do at least 5. Oh, average, we found the mean. So scale with the drawing. Rulers for measuring and clean lines. Proportions to determine, now this would be especially proportions to determine the scale. Mean to find average cost of home. We calculated the area to determine square footage. We also did perimeter to determine like the distance around, like how many blocks you needed to go this way. Wall distance. I'm sure there was probably a lot of other things that we did, and we're going to talk about this in class as well, but this will go ahead and get you started with some things that we did. Don't just copy mine down. If you can think of other things, that would be great, but this will help get you started on that one. All right, and then finally, the dream board. This is where we have options, okay? You can absolutely just fill out the dream board and put at least 5 pictures. I would put at least 5 pictures for each slide here, or you can skip this all in entirety, and this is where you get excited and do your 3-dimensional one. If you're doing your 3D project, the 3D one, you could do floorplanner.com. My YouTube channel has a floor planner basics that Harper did that you can look at that one to kind of get you started on that. So you can do this, or you can do the 3D model, and you don't have to do this if you have the 3D model. Or if you really truly want to do both, that's totally fine, but this is kind of where you get creative in doing your 3D model, or you're doing your interior design, the dream house, for your dream house project. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great rest of your day.